Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install external link tracking with GA4 step by step clearly. First, log in to your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the GA4 property you want to work with. Once inside the property, click on Admin at the bottom left corner. In the Admin panel, under the Property column, click on Data Streams. Select the data stream you want to track external links for. Scroll down to find Enhanced Measurement and expand that section. Ensure that Enhanced Measurement is enabled. Now, look for the More Tagging Settings option and click it. Choose Configure your domains to add your external link domain. Click on Add Condition to create a new domain condition for tracking. Enter the domain you want to track, making sure to use the correct format. Once added, save your changes. Next, you'll need to implement the link tracking feature. Go to your website's code or the tag management system you're using. For Google Tag Manager, create a new tag. Select GA4 Event Tag as the tag type. In the Configuration section, choose the GA4 configuration tag you already set up. In the Event Name field, enter a name such as external_link_click. Scroll to the Triggering section and click to add a new trigger. Select just links as the trigger type. Enable the option for Wait for tags and check validation. In the trigger configuration, set it to fire on some link clicks. Define the condition to track links with the specified external domain. Save the trigger and then save your tag. Finally, test your implementation using Google Tag Assistant or verify that the external link clicks are being recorded in GA4. After confirming the tracking works, publish your changes in Google Tag Manager. You are now set up to track external link clicks in GA4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.